Most people wake up every day feeling stuck. Same routine, same problems, same results. But here's the truth. Nothing changes until you decide to change it. So if you're tired of going in circles and you're ready to actually do something about it, then pay attention. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through 8 simple steps that will help you take back control of your life. Let's get into it. Step 1, clean yourself up. Take a shower, brush your teeth, put on something that smells good. It sounds simple, but how you treat your body sends a message to your brain. When you take care of yourself, you start to believe you are worth taking care of. And that belief will push you forward in everything else you do. It all starts here. Start clean. Step 2, clean your space. Look around you. Is your room a mess? Is your house full of clutter? That mess is living in your head too. The space you live in reflects how you feel inside. So clean it up. Throw out what you don't need. Fix what's broken. Tidy every corner. When your space is in order, your mind will follow. No more leaving things half done. Make your space somewhere you're proud to be in. Step 3, go outside. Once you've sorted yourself and your space, step out the door. Get some fresh air and let the sun hit your face. Your brain was never meant to be stuck inside all day. We were built to move, to talk to people, to be part of something bigger than ourselves. The world out there needs you in it. Stop waiting for something to happen and go make something happen. Step 4, move your body. Exercise is one of the most powerful things you can do for yourself. It lifts your mood, sharpens your mind, gives you more energy, and makes you feel good in your own skin. There is no shortcut that comes close to what a good workout can do for you. You don't need a fancy gym or a complicated plan. Just move. Sweat a little every single day. You will feel the difference quickly. Step 5, know where your money goes. A lot of people avoid looking at their bank account because it makes them uncomfortable. But that discomfort is exactly why you should look. Check your balance every day. Find out what you're spending on things you forgot about or don't even use. When you face the numbers honestly, you give yourself the power to change them. Don't let your money disappear without you knowing where it went. Step 6, cut what's holding you back. Think about the things in your life that drain you without giving anything back. The apps you mindlessly scroll through, the notifications that pull you away from what matters, the habits you use to avoid dealing with real problems. Start cutting them out one by one. The less you are pulled around by these things, the more control you will have over your own time and energy. Step 7, make a plan. Hoping things get better is not a strategy. Wishing for a good life while doing nothing different will get you nowhere. Sit down and think honestly about what you want and what keeps getting in your way. Then write a simple plan. You don't need it to be perfect. Even a rough plan will put you miles ahead of having no plan at all. Know where you want to go and take your first step toward it. Step 8, just do it. You've thought about it enough. Now it's time to stop overthinking and start doing. There will always be a reason to wait or a voice in your head telling you it's not the right time. Don't listen to it. Take a breath, trust yourself, and take action. The more you follow through on the things you said you would do, the stronger and more confident you will become. That is how you build a life you are proud of. So if you are tired of feeling stuck, try these 8 steps. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your life begin to change.